Hello students, welcome to all. Today we will practice some MCQs on science that are useful for your railway exam. So let's start. First question is, which of the following colored light has the lowest frequency? Green, blue, red and violet. The right answer is option C, red. Red color has the lowest frequency and the largest wavelength. Next, 35 degrees centigrade is equivalent to dash degree Fahrenheit. The formula is C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. Now put here 35. 35 by 5 equals to 7. F minus 32 by 9. So 9 and 7 multiply 63 plus 32 equals to 95. So right answer option B, 95 degree Fahrenheit. The filament of a light bulb is made up of platinum, nichrome, tungsten and antimony. The right answer option C, tungsten. Which color LED was first discovered? Red, blue, green or yellow? The right answer red. Option A is the right answer. Full form of LED, light emitting diode. One calorie equals to dash joule. 0.24 joule, 4.2 joule, 2.4 joule and 3.0 joule. The right answer is 4.2 joule. And 1 joule equals to 0.24 calorie. Next, volt ampere is the unit of capacitance, EMF, voltage and current. Here we have used the formula V equals to IR. V is the voltage, I is the current, R is the resistance. Now V by R, that means volt by V by I equals to R. The unit of V is volt and unit of current is ampere. So volt by ampere is the unit of resistance. The options are wrong here. It will be resistance. Volt per ampere is the unit of resistance. Next, which one is the scalar? Force, momentum, displacement. Force is the vector, momentum is also vector, displacement is also vector. Electric current, though it has direction, still it is a scalar quantity because it does not follow the rule of vector addition. So electric current is the scalar quantity. Next, an object of mass 10 kg is moving with a speed of 10 meter per second. What is the kinetic energy of the body? The formula here, kinetic energy equals to half mv square. M is the mass, v is the velocity. Now put here half mass 10, velocity 10 square. So 500 joule is the right answer. Option B. Next, 1 BOT equals to dash joule. BOT or kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of electricity. So 1 BOT equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Option B is the right answer. Next, the reciprocal of the wavelength of a lens is called 1 by the reciprocal of the focal length of a lens is called 1 by focal length. It is called power. The unit of power is called diopter. It is expressed as D. Next, Newton meter is the unit of. Newton is the force, meter is the distance. So force into displacement. Force into displacement. That is work done. So option B is the right answer. Next, two equal forces are applied on a body in opposite direction. What is the resultant force on the body? Let us consider this is a body. A force applied in this direction and two equal forces are applied in opposite direction. So resultant F minus F, that is 0. Option C is the right answer. The value of absolute zero temperature in degree centigrade scale. It is minus 273.15 degree centigrade. C is the right answer. At the absolute zero temperature, the kinetic energy of all the molecules of gases is zero. Next, the capacity to do work is called. It is called energy. And the rate of doing work is called power. Power equals to work done by time. Nuclear radius is the order of. It is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. It is also called Fermi. 1 Fermi equals to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. In Fermi unit, we can measure the radius, nuclear radius. So that's all for today.